Hello viewers, this is Kanis Rahman. Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to my cooking channel. In this video, I'll share with you how Chick-fil-A make their spicy deluxe sandwich. Those are my favorite sandwich. So I hope everybody will like it. I'll show you one by one step what they put inside. So here I took a bun and it's divided with two different parts. And I took the brand name of brioche bread. Those are my favorite bread. And also in Chick-fil-A sandwich I saw the bread is kind of sweet taste. So if you don't have those kind of branded bread, you could try any other bread, but sweetest breads increase the more flavor into your sandwich. So here I add all the mayonnaise. I use the heavy mayonnaise and I'm trying to cover all the blocks in the bread. It just I have a time, that's why I did it. But now I'm using the cheese slices. So I'm gonna put the cheese slices in the flat bread, whatever is in the bottom side. Then I add the patty on the top of the cheese. If you want the patties recipe, spicy patties recipe, I have another video in my channel, you could check. And I'll add ketchup on the top of the patty, so the patty will be more delightful with the ketchup. And if you put the ketchup with the bread and it just goes to the bread, it will mess up with the mayonnaise and the bread also gonna be mushy. Then I'm using 3 slices of onion rings. If you don't like it, you could skip it, but they're using the onion rings and I love the onion rings too. They're adding tomatoes, pickle, and last but not the least is leaf lettuce. And those I never see in any other restaurant like Burger King, McDonald's, Hardee's, Wendy's, those kind of restaurant. But leaf lettuce you could see only at Chick-fil-A burger. Then I'm secured them with a toothpick. They don't do that, but I do them because I don't have the box, so it will secured. And those lettuce look so fresh, and this lettuce can stay longer time if you want to eat your burger later on. One day I bought a Chick-fil-A sandwich and I ate them like half an hour later. The lettuce was still green, but the normal lettuce are not. They goes totally like soft, and that doesn't have any great taste if you don't eat the burger freshly. So here is why Chick-fil-A using the leaf lettuce in their burger sandwich. I also have a patty recipe at my other videos. Check that out, and I try my best to bring all the flavor about Chick-fil-A spicy deluxe sandwich patty. So here you could follow those patty recipe and then make your own burger at home like Chick-fil-A spicy deluxe sandwich. I hope you enjoyed this video. Subscribe my channel for next video. Thank you.